Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is decisions. How many of you feel difficult to make any decision or you feel stuck when it comes to make any decision? So if you are someone who feels stuck or feel difficult in making any decision, then listen to me very carefully. So why do you feel difficult to make any decisions? Because you are at a point where you are asking that should I do this or should I do that? So you are in the confusion state. So what should I do now? And most of the time what happens is in this confusion state, most of the people they end up doing nothing and they think like मैंने तो कुछ किया ही नहीं, I didn't do anything. They feel like कि मैंने डिसीजन तो नहीं लिया बट मैंने डिसीजन लिया तो मैंने कुछ किया ही नहीं. बट हियर्स द ट्रुथ, not making a decision is also a decision. When you are choosing nothing, what you are choosing is you are choosing to stay exactly where you are. And when this keep on happening again and again, जब आप बार बार इसको रिपीट करते हो, what start happening is you start losing the confidence in your own self. आप अपने आप को अपना सेल्फ ट्रस्ट जो है खो देते हो. एंड एट वन पॉइंट यू स्टार्ट बिलीविंग कि लाइफ तो मे बी चेंज हो ही नहीं सकती, मैं तो कुछ कर ही नहीं सकता, राइट. एंड वाई दिस हैपन्स? बिकॉज यू आर नॉट मूविंग टूवर्ड्स योर ड्रीम लाइफ और टूवर्ड्स योर गोल. You are staying wherever you are. You are moving away from your dream life, not towards it. So what to do now? What you can do is from now start asking this one question every single day, that did I make a decision to move toward my goal or dream life, or did I make a decision to move away from my dream life? And when you will start asking this question, you will get to know that what are the decisions or what are the actions I need to take or I need to do. Because always remember this, every decision that you are making today is going to create your future, and whatever you are experiencing today is the outcome of the decisions or the choices that you made in the past. So instead of looking at your present self, that what is happening right now or what has happened in the past, start looking at your future. What do you want in your future? What is the version of yourself you want in your future? And ask yourself this question every single day, that what the future version of me want from me now. And when you start asking this question, your mind will start operating differently. And also in this situation, when you are operating from this mindset, what will happen is you will feel confused again. So you'll be not having the clarity. So what you have to remember this, what you have to always remember is that clarity doesn't come from thinking. Clarity always comes from engagement. Don't aim to know everything before you start. Always start from whatever you know, and when you start from whatever you know and when you move forward, you will get to know more about it. And when you will get to know more about it, then you will be gain more clarity in what you have to do. And if you don't take any action towards what you know right now, you will stay stuck where you are. And this mindset that I need to know everything first before I start, this can be your biggest dream stealer. So instead of waiting to feel ready, start moving, start taking decisions in your life, and see how everything will start shifting in your life. And I hope this was helpful. So let me know in the comments what did you learn from this and how was it. I'll see you in the next video.